Hi everyone, I am Praveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain about how to find out the LCM and HCF of the numbers by using prime factorization method. If you are having a question like this, find LCM of 24, 36 and 40 by prime factorization method. You can say it as prime factorization or prime factorization method. Here LCM is nothing but least common multiple. What is LCM is called? Least common multiple. What is HCF is called? Highest common factor. What we will call HCF is called highest common factor, and this HCF you can call in another words like GCD. What is GCD or HCF? Both are same. GCD is nothing but greatest common divisor. Greatest common divisor or highest common factor, both are same. Now how to solve this problem? Let us see now. Solution. Given numbers are 24, 36 and 40. Here they are saying to use prime factorization method. To do the prime factorization method, first of all we should take the prime factors of these particular numbers. Here take the prime factors of these numbers. 24 prime factors means here you should take only the prime factors. If you don't know about the prime numbers and the types of numbers, I did a previous video. You watch that video. The video link is given in the description so that you will understand what is the factor, what is the common factor, what is the multiple, and what are the primes, co-primes. You will understand very clearly if you watch the video. Now let us take the prime factors of 24. Here I am taking 2. Here 2 I am taking here. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 12s are 24. Again this 12 is divisible by 2. So this 2, here I am taking here 2. 2 6 are 12. So we got 6 here. 2 6 are 12. Next again I am taking here 2. 2 how many times? 6. 2 3s are 6. Again I will take here 3. 3 1s are 3. So what are the factors of 24? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 are the factors of 24. In the same way, take the prime factors of 36. 36 prime factors let us take. Here again it will go in 2 table. 2 ones are 2 and here 1 will get borrowed here and it will become 16. 2 how many times 16? 2 8s are 16. And again this 18 will go in 2 table. 2 9s are 18 and this 9 will come in 3 table. 3 3s are 9 and again this 3 will come in 3 table. 3 1s are 3. What are the prime factors of this 36? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 are the factors of 36. Now let me go for the factors of 40. What are the prime factors of 40? This 40 will go in 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 2 zeros are 0. Again 20 will get in 2 table. 2 10s are 20. Again 10 will come in 2 table. 2 5s are 10. Again this 5 will come in only in 5 table. 5 1s are 5. Now let us write the prime factors of these numbers. Here factors of 24. Factors of 24. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 are the factors of 24. Factors of 36 is, what are the factors of 36? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. 3 into 3 into 1. Now, factors of 40 is 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 1. 5 into 1. Now I wrote the factors of 24, 36 and 40. To find out the HCF or GCD. HCF is nothing but highest common factor, greatest common divisor. Both are same. Here, whatever the common factors are there, that common factors, if you multiply, we will get HCF, highest common factor. Here, what are the common things here? 2 is the common here. More 2, and we are having 1 is common in the 3 factors. In the 3 factors, 2, 2, 1 is common. So multiply that one. In this 3, we are having 2 common. So these 3 2's, you take it as 1 time. And here also we are having 2 in 3 factors. So you write these 2. And here we are having 2, here we are having 2, but here we are not having 2. So we are not taking here. 3, 3, 5. 3 we are having here, but we are not having here. So we are not taking as common factor. Here 1, 1, 1. So 1 is a common factor. Now you multiply it. 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4. This 4 is a HCF of 24, 36 and 40. Now let me explain the LCM of these 3 numbers. Here LCM of 24, 36 and 40 is, here how many 2's are there in the 24 factor? 2 into 2 into 2. 3 2's are there. In 36 we are having 2 into 2. 2 2's are there. Factors of 40, 2 into 2 into 2. 3 2's are there. Here which factor is having more number of 2, that you take it in the LCM. Here we are having 3 2's. Here we are having 2 2's. Here we are having 3 2's. So the 3 2's is more in the total factors. Here next, these 2's completed. Go for 3. Here we are having only 1 3. Here we are having 2 3's. Here no 3's are there. More number of 3's wherever we are having, that you take it in the LCM. Here we are having 1. Here we are having 2. Here we are not having anything. So take 2 3's here. Next, come to 5. We are having here 1 5. Here we are having no 5's. Here we are having no 5. So 1 5 is having more. So take that 5 here, and here we are having 1 also. We are having 3 1's. 1 into 1 into 1. You will get 1 only. So I am writing 1 only 1 time. Now you multiply this. 2 2's are 4. 4 2's are 8. 8 3's are 24. 24 3's are 72. 72 5's are 360. 360 1's are is 360. This 360 is the LCM of 24, 36 and 40. Simply remember, wherever we are having more 2's, here we are having 3 2's. So I wrote here 3 2's. Here we are having 2. Here we are having 3. So 2's is 3 only more. So I wrote 3 2's. Here 1 3, here 2 3s, here no 3s. 2 3s is highest. So I wrote here 2 3s. Here no 5 is there, here no 5 is there, here 1 5 is there. So I wrote here 5. Here once we are having 3. 1 into 1 into 1. This 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 only. So I wrote only one time. If you are multiplying this, you will get 360 as a LCM. The LCM of 24, 36 and 40 is 360. Now let me give one more example to understand you very clearly. In this question, they are asking to find LCM and HCF of 25 and 60 by using prime factorization method. In the last problem, we are having 3 numbers, but here we are having only 2 numbers. At this time, how to solve the LCM and HCF by using prime factorization? Let us see now. Solution: given numbers are 25 and 60. Now take the prime factors of 25 and also 60. Here 25 factors, you will get in 5 table. 5 5s are 25 and again you will get 5 1s are 5. Here what are the factors of 60? If you are taking 60, it will go in 2 table. 2 3s are 6, 2 0s are 0. Again this will go in 2 table. 2 1s are 2 and here 1 will get borrowed. 1 0 is 10. How many times? 2 5s are 10. Now 3 table. 3 5s are 15 and again 5 1s are 5. Now write down the factors. Factors of 25 is 5 into 5 into 1. Now factors of 60 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 1. Here what are the common things? You check it here. Here the 5 is common in both the things and also 1 is also common. So the common things, if you are multiplying, you will get HCF. Now HCF of 25 and 60 is 5 into 1. Here is 5 and these 2 common one, we will get 1. What is the HCF we got here? 5 we will get. Now let us go for LCM. LCM of 25 and 60 is, here how many number of highest power of 5s you take here? How many highest power of 5 is there here? Here 2 5s are there. Here we are having only 1 5. So take 2 5s. Here you are having 2 2s are there. Here we are having no 2s are there. So we will write 2 2s. Here we are having 1 3. Here you are having no 3. So we will write 3. Into, here 1 is there. 1 into 1 is 1 only. So I will write 1 time only. Here we are having 5 2s. Here we are having only 1 2. What is the highest power here? Here 5 square. Here is 5. So 2 5s is more. I wrote 2 5s here. Here you are having 2 2s. I wrote here 2 2s. In here 1 3. I wrote this 1 3. And this 1 into 1 is 1 only. I wrote here 1. 5 5s are 25. 25 2s are 50. 50 2s are 100. 100 3s are 300. 300 1s are 300 is the LCM of 25 and 60. In this way, we will find LCM and HCF of 2 numbers by using prime factorization method. If you like this video, share, like, subscribe to my channel.